I'm Claudio Kretz, and as one part of my doctoral thesis, I have worked on the question of why people make plans. Now, part of the answer research in psychology suggests is that we make plans in order to self-control. Think of coming home after work in the evening. While earlier that day you may have thought that going for a run would be a great idea, now you're tired and you just prefer to relax on the sofa. However, if beforehand you've made a plan to go for that run, this may induce you to actually do so. In my thesis, I've modeled and behaviorally characterized decision makers who are planning to self-control in this sense. Interestingly, I then show that if the cost of planning is a fixed cost, this may explain two stylized facts about intertemporal decision making. First, the magnitude effect, which is the finding that individuals reverse their preference for a smaller sooner reward over a larger later one when the stakes of the decision are scaled up. And second, individuals fall prey to poverty traps, meaning that for relatively poor individuals, using self-control to overcome a bias towards overconsuming today is not worth the effort, while more wealthy individuals do use self-control to save more for the future. Thus, poor individuals run down their wealth even more, while more wealthy individuals converge to some steady state.